Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Rogers Kakasungura YouTube channel. A big thank you for the support you are rendering towards this platform. I always thank you because it's not my right for you to be there listening or watching me. It is just by the grace of God. It is the favor I have received to address you as Kakasungura. Ladies and gentlemen, the High Court today struck out an application by the Inspector General Police, Douglas Kanja. This is information that has just reached my desk from the court. The High Court today struck out an application by the Inspector General of Police, Douglas Kanja, and the Director of Criminal Investigations, Mohammed Amin, which was denying being served an order to appear before the court. Remember, the court had ordered Douglas Kanja and the DCI both to present themselves in person in court to answer to the charges of the ongoing abductions in the Republic of Kenya. And in response to the summons, Douglas Kanja said on media that he's yet to receive the orders because according to him, his office haven't received any orders. And the court now, today, in his ruling, Justice Chacha Mwita ruled authoritatively that the two police heads were duly served with the orders requiring them to appear in court over 3 missing men allegedly who were abducted in Mulolongo. The judge noted in his ruling that the service sent through the email of the National Police Service is valid since there is no doubt who the Inspector General is, noting that public officers' contacts and email addresses are public documents. I want to read what he wrote. I am therefore persuaded that they were served with the application and orders issued. Justice Mwita ruled. The High Court, in effect, ordered the Inspector General Police, Kanja, and the DCI Director, Amin, to appear before the court on January 30th, 2025 to answer to questions related to the disappearance of the 3 abductees. I want to read the court document here. Securing the lives of 3 missing men remains a priority for this court. It will not be in the public interest to allow the application by the IG and the DCI. The IG and the DCI, as I've informed you earlier, had sent an application through their lawyer denying receipt of the orders from the court to present themselves in person. The IG of police and the director of DCI had filed an appeal to have the court orders issued by the court on January 8 and enforced on January 30 to be quashed. Initially, the court had issued orders requiring the two to appear in court in person to explain the missing 3 men from Mulolongo. While declining to the orders, Justice Mwita noted that all persons are entitled to enjoy equal rights under the 2010 Constitution. No one has superior rights, I'm reading his document, over the other. The court is required to apply the proportionality test, balance the rights, and where necessary, give priority to the rights of the most vulnerable person. They were not produced before courts as demanded by the Constitution, and the relatives do not know where they are. Securing their lives and safety was and must remain a priority to this court. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to inject further opinions on this particular issue. We all have read the 2010 Constitution, and we know that abductions are illegal. And that is why they are being conducted by the purported police in civilian who do not want to be identified by Subarus that have fake number plates. Now, I want to speak to Douglas Kanja and the DCI boss. Power is transient. Power is temporary. We've had powerful people in the government before, and they are now civilians, and others, as we speak, they are fossils. In Kenya, we had the most powerful and cruel president in the history, Daniel Toroitich Arap Moi. As we speak today, is the late. You all know other people in the government who I don't want to mention in this particular video, who had power over all individuals in the Republic of Kenya. They were even named super CSS. Yeah? But today as we speak, they are civilians. A day of reckoning is coming. A day is coming when Douglas Kanja shall remain a civilian. A day is coming, and it's not far. That day, we shall see when justice will run after you, because court papers do not expire. Court cases do not rot. Court files remain forever unless settled as required by the law. That time, you will gnash your teeth, and nobody will be around to defend you. Because the time the law wanted to defend you, you abused it, you discredited it, and you did not want to listen to it. So when that time comes, because if God willing, I will be here, please carry your own cross. God bless you, ladies and gentlemen, as you continue watching. If you're watching this, as I always tell you, please do the honorable thing. Make sure you click the subscribe button, and kindly remember to turn on your notification bell. Kome was the IG. You saw what is happening to him. There is Masengeli who was acting before Kanja came in. He also played the same script when he was being ordered by the courts. He was summoned, and later when he realized he's not going to be the IG, he went back on his knees and requested for forgiveness from the judge. Ladies and gentlemen, nobody is above the law. It is only about time, and all shall be laid bare in public. God bless you. See you in the next video. Asanteni sana.